What's up, everybody? Baba Dee's here, and I'm back. Why dirty your pots when you can use your Instapot? Let's get started. So first, we're gonna need a trivet. Then after that, we're gonna need a whole chicken, preferably frozen. Make it quick and easy. Now, a couple of ingredients. We're gonna need my lovely liquid smoke. Love using this. We're gonna need some black pepper. Nothing needs to be measured, but enough to cover and coat and season your chicken. We're gonna need some salt. And of course, we're gonna need our lovely paprika. Give some color and some great flavor. Dry garlic or fresh, whatever's easier for you. We're gonna go with some Italian seasoning. Some people call it Mediterranean season, whatever it is. And if you like a little kick, let's use some chili flakes or some fresh peppers. So there's my 6 seasonings: a frozen chicken, liquid smoke, and some water. So we're gonna start off by just adding some salt to the chicken. Kind of just coat that all over. Same thing with the black pepper. Make sure you get the back and the bottom. There's some of that garlic seasoning, paprika. Just get it all over. And our Italian or Mediterranean seasoning. And I like a little bit of heat, so let's get some chili flakes on there too. So it's nicely coated. We're gonna go ahead and grab our trivet. Make sure we have it the right way. Put that frozen chicken right there. And don't get rid of the stuff that's inside the bowl. We'll add that into the Instapot as well. Bring your Instapot over. Put our trivet and our chicken right in there. Now we're gonna go ahead and just throw the additional seasonings right inside the pot. We're gonna add that liquid smoke, not too much, but just enough to give it a little hint of smoky flavor. And of course, we're gonna add 1 cup of water. And don't put it on the chicken, but put it around it. We're gonna go ahead and close up our Instapot. Alright, let's make sure that the steam valve is set to close. And we'll go ahead and set the timer for 20 minutes. Now I'm using a 3-pound frozen chicken. Typically it's 6 minutes per pound with a gentle release. So for mine, I'm doing 20. You may need to do more, you may need to do less. So their time is ticked. It's now doing its gentle release until the pin actually goes down. Now check this out. This is a little gizmo that I kind of put together. Picked it up at IKEA as well. If you're scared to kind of use the release of the steam, it's always a good little tip. And there it is. Yeah. So that is a completely frozen chicken, 3 pounds, done in 20 minutes. We're gonna take it out of the Instapot and we're gonna dirty up 1 more pot. We're gonna put it in the oven for about 10 minutes on about 425 degrees, just to kind of give it some more color and to kind of get that skin a little crispy. Now normally, if you were to do this in the oven, it would take about 1 hour and 15 minutes. With the Instapot, you're able to do this in under 45 minutes, and it's super tender, super moist. So, boom, there it is. It came out of the oven. Looks delicious. You can serve it with rice, corn, vegetables, whatever you like. Or if you're on more of a healthy tip, you can do some broccoli with just the chicken breast to reduce your carbs and to increase your protein. There you got it. Thanks for watching. And if you haven't already done so, make sure you subscribe, make sure you like the video, smash the button if you need to, and wait, I got more. We're going to be doing some amazing summer recipes. Instapot will be a part of it, but barbecue and deep fryer and smoker will also be another element that we add to it. So I can't wait to share that stuff with you. Continue watching. Thank you for supporting, and leave a comment because I always reply to comments. Thank you.